I'm Mark McCloskey with Kyntronics, and welcome to the next episode of Ask the Experts. This time, we're going to help answer, can I replace the HPU that I currently have on my system without going through a whole redesign on the machine? And the answer is yes. So at Kyntronics, we have hybrid technology that couples a servo motor coupled to a gear pump, moves fluid in and out of a reservoir to extend and retract a traditional hydraulic cylinder or rotary motor. This system is considered hybrid and entails having a reservoir internally. So you introduce hoses to the system, and it's meant to couple up to your regular design and already proven design with your traditional hydraulic system or rotary motor. So you don't need to go through a redesign on, hey, can I get this cylinder to fit into your machine, or worry about pin to pin mounting, or etc. when it comes to that. With this can easily replace your hydraulic power unit that you already have, and then easily couple up cylinders one-to-one configuration or multiple units depending on the sequential operation on your application. So if you're interested in learning more on how we can eliminate the HPU and fit a compact servo power unit into your machine, feel free to contact us at kyntronics.com. Thank you.